Hello everyone, I am Harshita, and in today's session I am going to give the overview of accounting rules and will also tell the concept of mapping sets. So first of all, let's have overview of accounting rules. So starting from the bottom, the one in green color are not mandatory to create, but in red color, journal line rules and account rules are mandatory. So there are custom formulas, mapping sets, description rule, supporting reference, journal line rules, and account rules which get summarized in journal entry rule sets creation and journal entry rule sets gets in accounting method. And then accounting method is clubbed in creation of primary ledger and secondary ledger in the system. So this is the how accounting rules flow in the system. So one by one, we are going to see all the um, rules like we have seen here in the flow in this diagram. And we are going to start today with the mapping set. So let's first see what is mapping set, and then I will show you how to create the same in the instance. So what is mapping set? Mapping sets are used by account rule to provide an efficient way to drive segment values or account combination value from one to more source transaction or reference attribute values. Like here in this diagram, you can see that in external application, for example, say billing system is our external application. Here, the input source is like services. If you can see here, services is equivalent to code 210 in the Oracle Accounting Hub cloud. So this is what is known as mapping. And this is what is we do in creation of mapping set. We map the input source with the output value there. So let's move to the instance and I will show you how to create the same for the more clarity on the concept. So moving to the instance now. Now after logging to the instance, go to settings and actions. Go to setup and maintenance. Select setup here as Fusion Accounting Hub. Go to accounting transformation functional areas. Go to the task configure accounting rules. Now first I'm going to select my subledger application, which I have already created and uploaded in the instance through spreadsheet. So select and now go to this mapping sets. For creating a new mapping set under this subledger application, click on this add icon. Now you need to give a name and short name. You need to give a meaningful name because it is available in a list of values in an account rule. And short name is used as a code in the table. Cannot have any space and must be in uppercase. So first I'm going to give the name here as loan type, as I'm going to create mapping set for the loan type here. So I'm giving that and giving the short name should be in uppercase without any space. Now output type. There are three types of output type available: account combination, segment, and value set. The output type determines what other elements are required. Say, for example, if I will select the segment as output type, you need to give a chart of account segment to be identified. Here in input source and charts of accounts, you need to give the detail according to the output type you are giving. Like I have selected here segments, and now I will add input source here. The ledger application is already coming. We have selected that beforehand only. And under the subledger application, just search and select loan type, apply, and say OK. Now, moving towards the chart of account, click on this add icon. and search for a chart of account. Mine is US chart of account. I'm giving that. And as I have selected output type as segment, now I need to give it segment here. So my segment will be the account segment. Now moving towards this mapping. Here what we are going to do is we will map the input loan type with the output account. Fine. So click on this add icon and I will give loan type here as fixed rate and output type here will be account 1364, which is loan fixed rate. Then adding one more as adjust adjusted rate. In brackets I'm writing variable or no need. Just I'm writing adjusted rate here and giving the or mapping the same with the account loan variable rate. So this is how you can map the input loan type fixed rate and adjusted rate by the output account here. So this is what is done in the mapping set creation. And after that, just save and close and your mapping set is created. So this was all about it. Thank you.